On the whole, I find no legal basis to justify the first and second respondent's decision to exclude the petitioner from contesting in the fresh elections. In view of my conclusions in above, I find that this petition has merits. Consequently, I find that the petitioner is entitled to the relief sought. Accordingly, I make the following orders, stroke declarations. 1, and declaration B, and is hereby issued that the petitioner's rights under Articles 38, 27, and 140 sub Article 3 of the Constitution have been and continue to be infringed, violated, and or denied by the first and second respondents' failure to include him as a presidential candidate in the fresh election slated for 26 September 2017. B, an order B, and is hereby issued compelling the first and second respondents to immediately issue a fresh Gazette notice and or amend the Gazette notice dated 5th September 2016 by way of a corrigendum to include the petitioner herein as a presidential candidate for the Third Way Alliance Party in the fresh elections scheduled for 26 September 2017. No orders as to costs.
I am fairly certain, my Lord, that given the public interest and the public importance of the decision, we will be able to get an expedited schedule for the hearing of that appeal. And so if the stay is then circumscribed by that undertaking on my part, and to have that record by Friday.
We thank the judge for pronouncing himself with finality on this matter. As you may recall, one of our pillars of Third Way Alliance is to protect and implement the Constitution, devolution, and the rule of law. So we stood firm with that, regardless whatever the circumstances are. And today, I think we've reaped the benefit of our belief in the Constitution, because we honestly believe that Chebukati had completely violated the Constitution by discriminating on my candidature and by misinterpreting it to mean a runoff. So today the court has actually confirmed that he was very wrong. Going forward, we will therefore now hope to engage Chebukati on the next 15 days on our inclusion.